This is Karen Ranzi of Feel Fabulous with Food. Are you looking to transition to a whole foods, plant-based and raw food lifestyle for increased energy, ideal weight, healing of autoimmune conditions such as thyroid problems, skin issues, diabetes, and more? You will want to know that you can transition from your favorite foods and easily get your needs and desires met in a healthy, whole, raw food lifestyle. So come along with me to our class, Raw Vegan Mexico, and see the delicious food that you can eat when you transition from cooked burritos and more with a raw vegan lifestyle.
Video.
Okay, what do you think of this raw food? Fiesta!
Ándale, ándale. Arriba, arriba, arriba. Oh. Don't you wish you were here?
If you'd now love to see what this raw vegan lifestyle can do for you, grab my book, Raw Vegan Recipe Fun for Families, 115 easy recipes, including the recipes that we made for Raw Vegan Mexico, by clicking on the link below. Would you like to teach a class like Raw Vegan Mexico? And would you like to work both online and offline with both individual coaching and group coaching? If you'd like to serve others and make an income in the natural health movement, the time is now, because there is so much interest in the miracle of the raw food lifestyle for health and for healing. Grab my free guide, The 8 Must-Knows to Becoming a Vegan and Raw Food Health Coach, in the description below. I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.